All right, so today it's kind of rainy and nasty outside, so I figured I would just try something real quick. I had some speakers from my 2009 F250 build that I never put in, but anyway, these are the factory speakers before, and let's take you over here and look at the after. So it's the Rockford Fosgate 1539447. Give me a second and I'll get these thrown in. Alright, now that I got that factory one out, just looking over it, it's the obviously Ford Motorcraft factory Sony, 4 ohms, 25 watts. Come over here to this one, still 4 ohms, however 65 watts RMS and 130 watts peak. So the issue that we have is that's the factory connection, and these are just the normal spades. So I'm gonna probably end up doing some crimping. Yep, I'll have to do some crimping and splicing, and we will see what we can do to get this out and the new one in. Alright, yes, I suck at this video editing thing, but the point is, as I was trying to edit the video after doing the other speakers, now coming back to these to actually publish the video, I noticed that I didn't have anything in the Rockford Fosgates after being installed. So, inside there, you can obviously, that is aftermarket, and you can see Rockford Fosgate behind. Strangely enough, and I didn't mess with any of the settings on the head unit, after I did the fronts only, haven't touched the tweeters up there, and prior to doing the tweeters in the rear door, like I said, I hadn't done anything other than these two at that time when I did this video a couple days ago. Anyway, I don't know what changed, but the amp in the back is definitely kicking the sub a lot harder. So, you know, I'm not an audiophile. All I know is that I want something that sounds good. I'm not that annoying guy that drives through the parking lot that you can hear, you know, what sounds like 3 midgets in a trunk beating the crap out of it with sledgehammers. You know, I don't blare my stuff, especially with having a 7-year-old in the back. Anyway, the Rockford Fosgate 6x8s, they're in the front. I think they're the P1683s. I did those in the front. Love it. I will be doing the same thing in the rear. It goes behind the seat on the quarter panel, but I did it in both doors. And jump back here, don't pay any attention to that, that's in a future video. But anyway, the rear speakers are, if I can get that seat, hang on a second. Alright, there's the rear speakers. So these are the exact same factory Sony 6x8 that we're going to replace with Rockford Fosgates here in the rear. And then there is the factory sub box. I'm going to throw an aftermarket 8-inch sub in there. But stay tuned for more tweaks to the 2014 F250 Platinum. All right, thanks for watching.